website we have here. This is Consummate Traders. This is the best proprietary firm so far, so good in Africa. So it is Consumer Traders. They are a proprietary firm, like I explained. They fund you, you trade for them and then they pay you. So this is their website. This is how it looks like. It is clean, mobile friendly. As you can see, I'm using my phone to do this video, so you can see it's clean, it is mobile friendly, and everything. So they have different services, they have different account size you can go for, and they have a lot of great features on this website. They even have a support. You can DM their support. This is the button over here, this green button over here. You can DM their support. Look at it, I just clicked on it. You can DM their support, ask them questions, and they will reply ASAP. They reply you ASAP. You get. So come on to this website, create an account and then choose a model. So you create an account, choose a model, start trading, get paid. So they have different trading models. They have evaluation, they have Express Lite, they have Express Pro, they have synthetics, and yeah, those are the various trading models they have. So let's get into details of the various models. So evaluation, right? So evaluation, they have starts ranging from $5,000 to about $400,000. So evaluation, they have the $5,000 account, which goes for $499. Goes for $499. And they have the $10,000 account, which goes for $84. And they have a $25,000 account. They have a $50,000 account. They have a $100,000 account. They have a $200,000 account, and they have a $400,000 account. Now, all these accounts comes with a price tag, and once you pay, they give you an evaluation phase. So you can see here, this is for phase one. So for phase one, on any of the accounts you're buying, be it the $5,000, which goes for $49, or be it the highest account, which is $400,000, you have to follow the same rule. They all have the same rule. So the phase one in this evaluation model, you have to make 8%. You have to make 8% on phase one. You have to make 8% on phase one. You have to make 8% on phase one. On phase two, you have to make 5%. On your phase two, you have to make 5%. And they all have a duration of 60 days. Both on phase one and on phase two, you have 60 days. That is, 60 days phase one, 60 days phase two. Make 8% phase one, make 5% phase two, and then you have the account. The moment you can keep to this rule, you have the account. So that's it for phase one. You have a leverage of 1:100. No minimum trading days. Scale up by 20% after every 10 months. After every 10% made within 3 consecutive months. So if you're consistent, you can scale up by 20% after 10% made within 3 consecutive months. So that's what they mean. So their daily drawdown is 6%, as you can see it here. Daily drawdown. Let me scroll down, see it. So max daily loss is 6% in a day, meaning you can't lose more than 6% in a day. If you lose more than 6% of the day, you lost your account. Then their max loss, their overall loss for the challenge, for the evaluation, is 12%. 12%. Now 12%. Now profit split is first funded month you get paid 80% plus 15% of your evaluation and plus your refund of your registration fee, and then your second month your profit increases by 5%, that is 85%, and then after that you start receiving payment of 90% profit split. So that's it with Consummate Traders. That's it with their evaluation model. Very simple, very straight to the point. So this is their Express Lite. So this is just like their own version of a one face account. So they have It's the same thing with their evaluation. They have 5K, from 5K to $400,000. Oh, okay. They have 5K, from 5K to $50,000. That's the highest they have. They have 5K to $50,000. So on this account size, you know, so on this express light, you have 10% within 2 months, then no target afterwards. So your profit target on this express light is 10% within 2 months, then no target afterwards. So you have 1:100 leverage. You have no minimum trading days. You have 20% scaling for every 15% made within 3 months after assessment phase. So this is a one phase challenge, where if you are able to make 10%, you have 2 months. You have 2 months. If you are able to make 10%, within that 2 months, you are able to make 10%, then you have passed the assessment phase. It's a phase one challenge. Once you make 10%, you have passed it. Once you make 10% and you have kept to the rules, you understand, of this account, of this model, then you have the account. It's a one phase challenge. That's why they call it express light. So you have 10% within 2 months and then no target afterward. Then you have 1:100 leverage, no minimum trading days, 20% scaling for every 15% made within 3 months after assessment phase. And then you have a max daily loss of 6%. You have a overall max loss, sorry. You have a maximum loss of 10% in overall. So that's it. And then you have for the profit split, you have 80% profit split plus 15% for the first month after assessment phase. So you get paid 80% plus 15% for the first month after assessment phase. So after the assessment phase, you get paid 80% plus 15% for the first month. So that's with it on this one. So let's check the price tag. Obviously, the price tag for a one phase challenge will be more than a regular evaluation model. So 5K starts from $69. 15K start from $169. 25K start with $269, and the highest one, which is 50K, starts with $499. So as you can see, if you are the kind of trader that would like to pass a one phase challenge, you can go for the $5,000 account, and just keep in mind that you have 6% daily loss. You're not supposed to lose more than 6% in a day, and you're not supposed to lose more than 10% in a month. So that's it. That's it. So they have their different price tag. If you are someone that don't like waiting too much and you want to get your account straight up, you can just want to pass one phase, you can go for the one phase. If you're somebody that don't have much money but you can afford the evaluation and you can pass the two phases, then go for the evaluation. That's it for Express Lite. Let's head on to Express Pro. So Express Pro is the same thing, just that Express Pro is like you're buying an account. You're buying an account that is already funded. That's it with Express Pro. You're buying an account that is already funded. So Express Pro starts from 5K, as you can see. The price tag is $299 because it is Express Pro. You're buying the account. You don't have any challenge on this trading model. You're not passing any challenge. You're just paying upfront and then giving the account straight up live. So Express Pro starts from $5,000, $15,000, and $25,000 and $50,000, which is the highest. So it comes with 1:100 leverage, 20% scaling for every 10 months, for every 10% profit made after 3 months. 20% scaling for every 10 months, every 10%, sorry, every 10% profit made after 3 months. So that's it. So you have the ability to scale up 20%, for every 10% profit that you make in every 3 months. So that's it. So they have zero. They have zero minimum trading days, and they have okay, they have the minimum trading days is 5 days, and the challenge, there is no challenge. That's why there is zero. There's no challenge. Minimum trading days is 5 days, and then the max daily loss here I think is 5%. Yeah, the max daily loss here is 5%, and the profit split the profit split over year is 70%. So let me get back to this max daily loss. Please note, max daily loss is different from, I say max daily loss, max what do they have here? Max loss, right? Max loss, not daily loss. Now max daily loss is different from max loss. You understand? So max daily loss means if you lose this percentage in a day, you lost the account. You've violated their rules. You understand? But on this express pro, if you lose 5% overall, be it in a day, be it in a month or whatever, you have lost the account. So it is 70% profit split on this express pro. So 70% profit split, not 80%, not 85%, because as you can see, this is not a challenge. You know, you don't have any challenge to pass on this account. You just buy it up front. So the risk here is going to be more, and you're expected to be more careful when trading this live account, because you're just buying a live account up front. So that's it for their express pro. So their prices ranges, I've mentioned them. 5k go for 229, 15k go for 669, and 25k go for 1119, and 50k go for 2229. So that's it for the express pro. So the next one is synthetics. They have synthetics. You know, you can trade synthetics ranging from $5,000 to, let's see, $20,000. So on synthetic, they have phases on synthetic, right? They have phases on synthetic. So on synthetic, phase 1 you have to make 10%. Phase 2 you have to make 8%, and it is 30 days, 30 days. So they have 1:100 leverage. You know, they have 1:100 leverage. They have 5% daily drawdown, and then they have a max drawdown of 10%. That's what you have there. So you don't lose more than 5% in a day, and you don't lose more than 10% in a month. And then they have 7 days, minimum trading days, 7 days, and then their profit split is 70%. So the account on synthetic ranges from $5,000 to $20,000 max, and you have to keep to these rules. You know, don't lose more than 5%. You know, in a day, and then don't lose more than 10% in a month, or else you lose the account. So that's it for synthetic. The fees are relatively different and high. Not kind of high though, but since it's synthetic, I think it is a good run for your money. So it starts from $5,000 starts from 99 to $10,000 starts at $189, and then $10,000 starts from $249. So if you're a synthetic trader and you are good enough to take this challenge, and you believe in your strategy, you believe in your trading style, and you know you can take up this challenge, then go for it. Our advice, you go for it. It's better than trading your $50, $100. Yeah, our advice, you go for it. If you're that good, just go for it. Probably go for the $5,000 account. If you're able to pass it, then use the money from there and scale up. So that's it for this. So that's it with all their trading models. So do well to like this video, subscribe. You know, I will leave a link below for you to visit Consummate Traders. You know, register with them, sign up. You know, get familiar with their platform. You know, ask questions. The support is here. You can ask questions on the support. You can also hit me up if you have any difficulties, and I'll be there to answer your questions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before I end this video, there is a giveaway for a free account. Consummate Traders will be giving out a free account. They are giving out free accounts only if you refer 5 of your friends. So let me show you guys the banner, right? So you guys will not say I'm lying. I got you guys clicking on this video. So let me go on Instagram now and show you the banner, and then I'll show you what you guys are supposed to do to get a free funded account from Consumate Traders. So this is their wait, let me check, let me show you guys. Okay, so this is it. This is the giveaway. They are giving out $5,000 accounts. Stand the chance to win it. Get 5 referrals. Get 5 referrals and quality for a free 5,000 evaluation account. So what do? Sign up or log into Consummate Traders. Click on referral to get your referral link. Share and get 10% commission per referrals, and get a $5,000 evaluation account when up to five of your referrals purchase an account. So this is how you qualify for it, guys. Do well to sign up, log into their website. I'll drop a link on this video. You guys should just follow that link, sign up, log in, click on the referral, share the referral link to your friends, and hopefully you win this $5,000 account. So without further ado, this is where I draw the curtain on this video. I hope you guys got value from it. I appreciate you guys for subscribing. I appreciate you guys for taking your time. I'm not perfect, but I'm trying to be the best version of myself, so as you guys supposed to do. So without further ado, guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, guys.